everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to start Venmo group in 2025. Venmo groups is a powerful feature that simplifies splitting expenses with friends, roommates, or travel buddies. Here is how to create and manage a group in 2025 based on the latest updates. First, you have to open the Venmo app. Ensure you have the latest version of Venmo. Then log into your verified US Venmo account. This is required for groups. It must be verified. Then step 2, you have to create a new group. Go to the Me tab at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on Create a Group. You see this below your profile picture. Tap on Get Started. And if you already have a group, just tap the group style and then click on Create a Group. Step 3 is to customize your group. Here you can add the name and emoji. That is, you add a group name and then you select an emoji. Then you can also add members. You can search for Venmo friends by username, phone, or email. And just note that the maximum you can have is 30 members per group. If this person is not a friend, the person must accept an invitation from you. Step 4, add and split expenses. You just need to tap on the add expenses that you see that option there in the group. Then you enter the amount, for example, $300 for Airbnb. Then you can put description, for example, vacation details. Then next you have to select who covered the costs under paid by. Then split option, choose equal or custom split. Equal split, we are splitting it equally. Custom split, you want to be done to state how it should be split. Then when you actually click on save. Once you click on save, Venmo automatically calculates who owes what. Step 5, you have to set up. Members can pay directly in the group via Venmo balance or linked cards, and then we have real-time tracking, so you can view the balances and payment history. Now let's go to key features for 2025. We have the first feature, which is ongoing groups. Here you add new expenses anytime. It is great for roommates or recurring events. Then we have the second feature, which is called the shared management, where all members can add or edit expenses. Then we have another feature called no fees. What we mean by this is that it is free for standard bank or debit payments, but credit cards incur 3% fees. Then lastly, we have activity feed. Here you can see updates like Alex paid $50 for groceries. Now here are some pro tips. You see, if you're a business or non-profits, use Venmo business profiles for formal group payments like team deals. For privacy, adjust settings to hide group activity from public feeds. And when it comes to alternatives, for international groups, try Splitwise instead. It connects to Venmo. If you need help with recurring payments, Venmo now supports scheduled transfers, for example, for rent. Hope you found this video helpful.